Welcome to my channel. What's your choice? Lisa or Lena? Let's begin. Hello friends, street food is like a culinary adventure right on the sidewalk. Imagine walking down bustling streets filled with the aroma of sizzling meats, flavored spices and mouth-watering snacks. From savory to sweet, street food offers a diverse range of delicious options that cater to every craving. The best part is that street food is often affordable, making it accessible to everyone to enjoy these tasty delights. Exploring street food not only your taste buds but also allows you to connect with the local community and experience the authentic flavor of a place. So select one of your favorite street food, Lisa or Lena. Choose what's your choice. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more captivating content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Thanks for watching.